Hello students, today we are going to learn 10th standard algebra, chapter 1st, linear equation in two variable. First, see what is meant by linear equation in two variable. An equation which contains two variables, the degree of each form containing variable is 1 is called a linear equation. Means here an equation of the form, suppose here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0 is called the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Now there are two methods of solving the equation. First, method 1 is elimination by equating the coefficient. मीन्स हमें यहाँ पे दो मेथड यूज करनी है. फर्स्ट मेथड है elimination by equating the coefficient, and second method second is elimination by substitution. Elimination by substitution. यहाँ पे हम दो मेथड देखने वाले हैं. Which one is easy? You can use that one. Okay. Now we'll see the practice set. One. Now here in practice set, if you have book, then you can see first example. First example is there. Complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. They have given here one equation, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. And second they have given 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now how to solve this one? We'll see that. Solution. Here first equation, which is the first equation? 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is the first equation. Okay. Now second, which one second? 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. This is the second equation. Here we don't know what is the value of x and y. We have to find here value. Means हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Value x की value और y की value find करनी है. Okay. Then what we'll do here? हमें क्या करना है? We have to add this one. Means adding first and second equation. Okay, we'll add this. You know that already we have learned in 8th standard, 9th standard also how to add this one. Okay, here first equation is, what is the first equation? 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Now add. Add means here plus sign. Then 2x. What is the second equation? 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. We will add here. Okay, how to add? Here first we'll consider the signs. Okay, here no sign means which sign is here? Plus sign. Here plus sign. Then plus means we can add. Means यहाँ पे plus sign है, यहाँ पे plus sign है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? यहाँ पे add कर सकते हैं. Means 5 plus coefficient you have to add. Means 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. X you have to write here. Then here plus minus. Plus minus. Suppose there are two different sign. Then we have to subtract this one. Means plus minus minus. मीन्स हमें क्या करना है 3y minus 3y. What will come? 3y minus 3y? 0. Means no need to write here. Okay. Then is equal to 9 plus 12. 9 plus 12, what will come? 21. Now easily we can find the value of x. Equation rules will use here. Here 7x is equal to 21. Then this 7 will transfer to this side. Okay, this is the RHS, this is the LHS. Means here what will remaining? X. X is equal to 21 by 7. In 7 table 21 is there. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are. Therefore, what is the value of x? X is equal to 3. Now we can find the value of y. Okay. Now here we'll put the value of x is equal to 3. We searched here that x is equal to 3. Then we'll place this value x is equal to 3 in any equation. We'll take here the first equation. What is the first equation? 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is the first equation. Okay. Here in first equation. Now x is equal to 3. Means here 5x. 5x means 5 into 3 plus 3y is equal to here 9. Okay. Then here 5 into 3 15. 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. Now this 15 will transfer to this side. Means here sign will change because here sign is plus. Means यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? 15 यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करना है. ट्रांसफर करते समय यहाँ पे साइन जो है वो चेंज हो सकती है. मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? 3y and then here 9. This is plus means here minus 15. Okay. Then 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. It is not possible means we have to do 15 minus 9. And what is the sign of bigger number? Minus means 15 minus 9. What will come? Minus 6. Therefore, y is equal to, now these 3 will transfer to this side. Means here minus 6. This one is here no sign in between means multiplication sign. यहाँ पे जो sign नहीं है means यहाँ पे multiplication sign. यहाँ पे multiply तो here यहाँ पे जाके divide होगा. तो यहाँ पे 3 आएगा. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are. Means here y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, last you have to write the answer. Solution is, here in bracket you have to write x, y is equal to, here first answer, what is the first answer? X is equal to 3 means here 3. And what is the y is equal to? Y is equal to minus 2 means here 3 and minus 2 is the answer. Now we'll see the second sum. What is the second sum? Here in practice set 1.1 they have given second sum 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. This sum they have given. We'll see this sum solution. Now first this is the first sum and this is the second. Means here you have to write 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. This is the first equation. Okay. Now second one, which one? A plus 5b is equal to 22. A second equation hai. Okay. Now here we'll do now subtracting. Okay. Means here subtracting second from first. Then we get, see here we will write 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. And here second is there, a plus 5b is equal to 22. Okay. Now subtraction rule you know that, आपको पता है कैसे subtract करना है. यहाँ पे minus आएगी. When minus sign is there then sign will change. Means here a having which sign? plus means it become minus. Here plus means here also it will come minus, and here plus sign means here also it will come माइनस. यहाँ पे साइन चेंज हो सकती है क्योंकि यहाँ पे माइनस है तो हमेशा साइन चेंज करनी है सेकेंड इक्वेशन की. ओके, नाउ हियर 3a एंड हियर नो हियर कोएफिशिएंट मीन्स 1 इज देयर मीन्स 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 व्हाट विल कम, क्या आएगा 2a. नाउ यहाँ पे डोंट कंसिडर दिस साइन, यहाँ पे ये साइन आपको कंसिडर नहीं करनी है. 5b minus 5a मीन्स व्हाट विल कम हियर 0. ओके, देन हियर 26 minus 22. This we have changed the value, no? That's why here 26 minus 22 means here what will come 4. Okay. Now therefore we will find the value of a. Means here 2a is equal to 4. So what is the value of a then? A is equal to here this one is the multiply means it become divide. यहाँ पे multiply तो यहाँ पे जाके क्या होगा divide होगा means 4 divided by 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are. What is the value? A is equal to 2. Okay. Now we want to find the value of B also. Okay. Then we'll place the value of A is equal to 2 in second. Means A plus 5B is equal to 22. In this equation we will put the value. Means we will write here substituting the A is equal to 2 in second equation. Okay, then we get, now we'll put the value. Okay, what is the second equation? Second equation is there A plus 5B is equal to 22. A is equal to what? A is equal to 2. Then we'll put the value. यहाँ पे हमें value put करनी है. A is equal to 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Now how to find the value of 5b? First we'll see this one is 2. We'll transfer to this side. Then what is remaining here? 5b is equal to 22. This one is the plus means it become minus. यहाँ पे जाके क्या होगा, ये माइनस होगा. 22 से 2 माइनस करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 5b is equal to 22 minus 2 20. Okay, then we'll find the value of b. यहाँ पे 5 मल्टीप्लाई है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे जाके डिवाइड होगा. मीन्स हियर व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग हियर ओनली b. b is equal to 20 by 5. Okay, then 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are means here b is equal to 4. Then we'll write here solution of that equation is, therefore last answer A bracket b is equal to, what is the value of A? First we will find that value. What is the value of A? A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. Means here you have to write A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4 is the solution of the equation. Is the solution of equation. Okay student, you got it this one. Okay, if any problem is there you have to write the comments in comment box.